So back in the 2000s when MAC had this Hello Kitty collab, I got this exact palette for my 16th birthday. And today I want to do an eye makeup look inspired by the four colors in this palette. The first color I'm going to try to mix is this orange color in the palette, which is the shade Paradisco. The only color name I remember, and I remember that because I ended up buying like a separate pan of it later. I don't know if they still make it, and I feel like they don't, so I'm gonna try to mix these ColourPop colors together. Okay, this might be a little too neon. Okay, I'm taking more of like a proper orange to mix in with that peach color. I miss that original color so much. And I remember that color having a little bit of like a shimmer to it. It was very subtle. And all of the ones I'm using today are matte, but you get the point. So next we're gonna mix the blue. I don't have anything that is that exact. I have like some of these random blues in this palette from Kara Beauty. Okay, let's see. This might be a little too deep, but I'm gonna get the shape on there and then we can mix in like a lighter blue. Okay, this might actually be pretty close to the intended color. Okay, now we're gonna mix in the brown, which I looked at a couple different nude palettes that I have, and this brown looks to me like the closest. Honestly, I don't think this is going to be quite dark enough on its own, so I'm trying to mix in a little bit of black to get that exact tone. Okay. Just want to draw a quick line here. Okay, that feels pretty close. Okay, I'm really liking this combo, honestly. It's really hard to tell in that first picture, but the first shade in that palette was very shimmery, and it was definitely like, it looks like it's just like a pale yellow, and it was definitely yellow based, but it was lighter than it looks in the picture. ColourPop color, also from the New Moon palette, I think is pretty close to what I remember this color being. A little like more shimmer than the matte color, but I think this is as close as I'm gonna get for like the actual yellow tone to it. And I don't have nails on right now, so I can really get in there for an inner corner moment. I wanted to do falsies today for this look, and then I realized I'm out, so it's a mascara only kind of look. Okay, final look. God, this brings me back. Like, what do we think? Do we think all the colors are accounted for? I kind of think we nailed it. I might have to go look for this palette on eBay, low-key.